In this video, we're looking at what's known as histograms. Now, histograms are sort of a bit like bar charts, but they're not. They're using continuous data, okay? So you're going to be drawing bars, but the issue here is that the bars don't have gaps between them because the data is continuous. Now, we've seen this notation before. This means it includes 0 but doesn't include 5, includes 5, doesn't include 10, etc., etc. But you'll notice that the groups are different widths. So this is 5 wide, this is 5 wide, this is 10 wide, and this is 30 wide. So instead of plotting the frequency, which is the common mistake everyone makes, is we're going to do something called the frequency density. All right, so frequency density. Now, that sounds difficult. It honestly isn't, and you will have a calculator for this, so don't panic. Now, all you're going to do is this frequency here divided by the width of the group. So it's going to be 9 divided by the width of the group, which is 5. Okay, so 9 divided by 5, use your calculator if you like, 1.8. Okay, same thing here. We're going to do 5 divided by the width of the group, 5 divided by 5, which is 1. This one, 4 divided by the width of the group, which is 10 up to 20, is 10 this time. So that's 0.4. And 3 divided by the width of the group, which is 30, 0.1. Now instead up here, you'll notice I've left this blank, and in an exam, they'd be left blank for you as well. Okay, you're not going to be plotting the frequency, you're going to be plotting the frequency density, okay, and I can only just fit FD in there. Now, I go from 0.1 up to 1.8. They've left me 4 gaps there, so I reckon that means I've got to go in 0.5s. Okay, 1.5 and 2. Now, how I plot this is I use the width of the group. So 0 to 5, here we go, 1.8. So I'm going to draw, and I'm going to start right next to the axis. Okay, 1.8 is about there, and I'm going to go down there. So that is my first group. So 0 to 5, 0 to 5, okay, goes up to 1.8. Next one, again, 5 up to 10, so 5 to 10, so it's going to go to here, it goes to 1. So I can just do that there. You'll notice the bars are right next to each other because the data's continuous. Okay, 10 to 20, 0.4, so 10 to 20 is 0.4, goes across there like that. And then finally, 20 to 50 to 0.1, okay? Now, this often happens, is that you'll get quite a low bar here, all right? Low bit of histogram at the last group, because the last group, in order to fit all the data in, or everyone who's questioned in, all right, the group has to be quite big. So there we go. So what we're plotting here is not the frequency, it's the frequency density, which is calculated the frequency divided by the width of the group. So 9 divided by 5, 5 divided by 5, 4 divided by 10, 3 divided by 30. Okay, so just be careful. Common mistake is people plot the frequency, and it's not right, I'm afraid.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.